hornbill. There are about 60 species of hornbills spread all over the world. Hornbills can be found in the African region as many as 30 species, while in the Asian region as many as 30 species. According to Mongabay Indonesia's records, Indonesia is a country that has various types of hornbills with 13 types of hornbills that can be found. Its distribution includes 9 species in Sumatra, 8 species in Kalimantan, 3 species in Java, and 4 species in the Wallace region and Papua. Of the 13 species spread across Indonesia, 3 of them are endemic species. These endemic species are the Sulawesi hornbill, Rhinoceros cassidus, the Sulawesi hornbill Rhabdotornis, exarhatus, and the Sumba hornbill Rhinoceros everetti. Hornbills have a large, long and light, curved beak. There is a structure in the form of a bulge at the top of the beak, which is a baleen or cast and is only owned by hornbills. Baleen has a hollow structure and is thought to function as a sound reverberation chamber. Male and female hornbills can be distinguished by body size and coat color. Male body size is larger than female. In terms of coat color, the male hornbill has a more striking color than the female hornbill. This is to attract the attention of the female hornbill. Hornbills in the Asian region are frugivorous or fruit eaters, while hornbills in the African region tend to eat insects to fulfill their nutritional needs. Hornbills have their own way of eating that is adjusted to the type of fruit. If the drupe is large enough, the fruit will be put into the beak, then crushed and the part of the fruit other than the seeds is swallowed. The seeds are then removed. If the fruit has smooth or small seeds, the fruit will be inserted into the esophagus through the beak and enter the digestive system. Then the fruit seeds will be removed with the feces. The famous hornbill has a wide range, reaching 100,000 hectares. Thanks to this ability, the presence of hornbills is needed in forest regeneration because they act as seed and seed dispersers. The hornbill population is under threat. According to IUCN data, several types of hornbills are starting to be threatened, and their populations are starting to decrease drastically. One of the species of concern is the ivory hornbill Rhinoplax vigil. The species is categorized by the IUCN as critically endangered (CR) or endangered. Reported by Mangabey, Indonesia, forest destruction due to land conversion is a threat to the survival of these animals. Hornbills depend on forest areas as a place to live and find food. Apart from that, the trade in wildlife and also the high number of poaching of hornbills is another threat. The unique shape of its beak and the beautiful color of its fur are the reasons for the rampant hunting of hornbills.
You